Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about, do you know our mind is like machines? If you start programming one thing, and that's what you're gonna come out of that from your mind. If your mind is your thoughts on 100 directions, do you think you're gonna achieve it faster? No. And so this is what I have learned, and this is what I'm going to teach you, how we can focus on one thing and then achieve the goal. So we're trying to work around the personal goals and professional goals around the business here. We're trying to build the business here. So whatever your goals are, you might have personal goals or professional goals, and we have to know how the mind works according to the laws. So we are working with the laws, and we are using our own mind. And so let's start building the business here. And so if you start programming your mind with one or two goals, and then you can achieve it faster. But if your mind is thinking in 100 direction or 10 different directions, do you think you're gonna get or achieve faster? No, it's gonna take long time, because mind is in 10 different directions and doesn't know which way to go. So let me introduce myself first, then we're going to start building the business here. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors Bob Proctor and Sandy Gerger. And this is what I have learned from my mentors. You have to have a goals, personal goals and professional goals. It's good to have one professional and one personal goals connecting together. And Bob Proctor told this information more than 60 years, and it's more than 100 years old strategy or information. And he told this information more than 60 years. You know why he did? He worked and he's still working. He told this information, the CEO, the airlines, the insurance companies, and because it worked, I have used it, I'm still using it. It's worked for me, it's still working for me. Hopefully you can take advantage of this information too, and we can build the business here. So let's start talking about, you have to have goal. That is the first key, but very in a clarity, because the mind wants to know what are you ordering or what are you trying to work around. If your mind is in 100 or 10 different directions, you cannot make out of much. I'm going to give you one example. Say example, there is a puddle of water, and that the water is going on there's a 10 different directions. The water is flowing that from the puddle. But if the water is on one place without going any different directions, and then we can make the electricity out of that with a lot of water. If the water is not going this way and that way, and we cannot make out of that water something. So what I'm trying to say, if your mind is on a 10 different direction thinking, and you're thinking something else, something different, and do you think we can make out of something? Not much, because it's on different direction and your power is flowing on 10 different directions. So this is the reason you have to be very focused. Your will must be on the goals, and then you must be clear about the goals. What do you really want? This is how the universe listens. If you're in the clarity on the screen of your mind, personal goals, professional goals connecting together, and then we have to start taking the action and using the will and using the perception, imagination. And even the situation is not good, but your results are not gonna come from outside. Your results gonna come from inside. Everything's built inside. You have all the tools you need, all the power you need, all the infinite potential you need is inside, and we have to use it according to. And people are not aware of it. They're always looking at outside. They're always looking for the tools from outside. They're always looking for what of the circumstances are made. They think their results are from because of whatever the circumstances going around. Your result and your manifesting is from inside, living from inside out. So start focusing inside, start focusing on your goals, using your power as a will on your goals. So we are like a machines. We, you know how we program the machines, and like say example, the money machine, and it's a programming there. You put money in there, money comes out, and like if you want to change $10 change or $20 change, and it's gonna eject money, going to come out how much you need. And it's the same, the mind is like machines. We have to start programming according to. It's not about gathering the information, it's about programming the mind. And according to that, you're going to get the results. So people are not aware of it. We are just gathering the information. We're just gathering the information. Of course, we do need to have the right information, taking the action, and we have to be persistent, taking the action every single day, not just 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and then you don't take action around your goals. You have to take action every single day around your goals, and you have to be persistent, and you have to be clear. It's just like planting the seeds, and then you're watering it, fertilizing it, and then feeding it and taking the weeds out. Same process. You have to programming it with the right information. You have to give the gestation period of time to grow your seeds as your goals. It's the same process. You have to start programming your conscious mind, then you have to start programming your subconscious mind, and you're planting your seeds as goals in your subconscious mind. Hopefully this information going to help you. Today's information I'm sharing with you is mind is like a machine. You have to start doing programming according to your goals, and you have to be focused. You have to take the action, and you have to take the action every single day. So with the right information. So hopefully you're going to start doing that, and stop going on 10 different directions. Just focus on one thing, and then start working around 1 or 2 goals, not 10 different directions. So you can create your goals faster. So hopefully you're going to take advantage of this information, and you're going to start doing that, start programming your mind and your subconscious mind. And I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. And please leave the thumbs up, or if you like the YouTube, leave the comments. And if you do need a further help, send me the message. We can start talking around the goals around your business, and goals around the business, whatever your goals are. And if you have any further questions, I can answer around your questions around your goals. And thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. So hopefully you're going to start programming your own mind according to the laws. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.